Meaning of elaborate.
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 Elaborate. Elaborate means to provide more detail, explanation or information on a particular topic or idea. It involves expanding upon a point in order to make it more clear or comprehensive. When someone elaborates, they are essentially taking a concept or statement and providing further insight or context to it. This can be done through examples, analogies, or by breaking down complex ideas into smaller parts. Overall, elaborating helps to ensure that the recipient of the information has a deeper understanding of the subject matter being discussed.